Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about how I oil my hair, what oils I use, and the super easy way I apply it using few hair care amazing tools. First, let's talk about what oils I use. I love using a mix of castor oil and coconut oil. These two are a powerful combo for hair growth, thicker strands, and overall scalp health. Castor oil is super rich in ricinoleic acid that's amazing for stimulating blood circulation in your scalp and boosting hair growth. It also adds shine and helps reduce hair fall. And then we have coconut oil, which is rich in fatty acids and vitamin A. Perfect for deep conditioning, reducing protein loss, and repairing damage. My go to ratio is 1 part of castor oil and 2 parts of coconut oil. I use this kind of comb teeth bottle to apply oil to my hair, which makes oiling process easy and perfect. And that's the beauty of using this kind of bottle. Easy and mess-free application. It helps in even distribution of oil across the scalp. By using this kind of applicator bottle, the oil reaches to the roots without over oiling the strands. It's perfect if you oil your hair regularly. Must try. And when we combine both castor and coconut oil, it improves the benefits like synergistic effect, enhanced absorption, moisture retention, scalp health, strengthening and thickness. My go-to ratio is 1 part of castor oil and 2 parts of coconut oil. So now I'm going to show you how I mix it. First, I pour 1/3 of castor oil into this applicator bottle. And then I add 2/3 of coconut oil to this bottle. Then I close the lid and give it a gentle shake to mix both oils together. The oil comes out smoothly from the comb tip, as you can see, and it reaches directly to the scalp without making a mess. Now let's apply oil to the hair and make our hair smooth and silky and shiny and also healthier. So I'll start from the front and make small partitions in my hair. Now gently press the bottle and move it along your scalp. The oil flows through the comb teeth directly to the roots. So convenient. Both castor and coconut oil when combined offers a potent blend for hair and skin care with benefits including moisturizing, nourishing, promoting hair growth and preventing scalp issues like dandruff and infections. Castor oil benefits like hair growth and thickness, scalp health, strengthening and preventing breakage, moisturizing and skincare. Coconut oil too have so many benefits like it moisturizes and hydrates, and it also helps in hair strengthening. It also helps to grow scalp health and nourishment, and also has so many benefits on skincare. So as you can see, I am making small partitions in my hair and gently applying oil directly on the roots with the help of this applicator bottle. You should must try this bottle. Apply oil throughout your hair from the front, back, left, right. It should be everywhere on your scalp. It's always a good habit after oiling if you massage your scalp gently. So, after oiling, it's time to massage the scalp. I use this kind of amazing silicone scalp massager. It has soft bristles that feel so relaxing. You can use it on dry or wet hair, and it's great for stimulating hair growth, relaxing your scalp, improving blood circulation, removing dandruff or buildup. It's honestly a game changer. Must try if you have not already. You can use this while shampooing, or you can use it while oiling your hair, or even you can use it every day before sleeping on your dry hair. It will really relax your scalp and improve blood circulation, which is always good for your hairs and your hair health. When I use it, it feels so relaxing. I use this on a regular basis. I generally provide massage to my scalp using this massager and feel so relaxing whenever I oil, or even though if my hairs are dry. There are n number of benefits of using this kind of silicone massager. The massager helps exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells, product buildup, and impurities, which can lead to a cleaner, healthier scalp. By exfoliating the scalp, the massager can help reduce dandruff and alleviate scalp itchiness. The soothing massage can help relax the scalp and reduce tension, promoting a sense of well being. The massager can also help improve the absorption of hair care products like oils and serums by stimulating the scalp and hair follicles. After oiling and massaging, I make loose braids to prevent breakage and leave the oil on for 2 to 3 hours. Then I shampoo it out as usual. This is the oiling routine I follow regularly, and it's helped my hair become healthier, stronger, and shinier. Let me know in the comments how many of you are going to try this oiling method and if you feel a difference. After a few tries, I would love to hear your results. Also, comment below what kind of hair hacks or routines you want me to cover next so I can make it and provide to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, bye and take care.